Hello, I'm Natraj. In this video, we're just proposing a new helmet system to protect against coronavirus. We already know the virus spreading around the world and many people already infected with the coronavirus. Now, we need to stop it. How do we do this? So, coronavirus will spread person to person when an infected person coughs, sneezes, speaks, even breathe. Because when the person has the virus, he breathes strongly, so the virus spreads. So when the virus comes out, the person opposite to him or person near to them will inhale this virus and they also get infected. Now we need to stop this. How do we do this? So before that, what is the problem? Why you can't able to stop it? Because already we nearly 4 months, but still it keeps spreading. We couldn't able to stop it. So what is the wrong? Why you are unable to stop it? The one main reason is the person is not showing any symptoms. The person who is infected will not show the symptoms in the beginning, but still is spreading the virus. Therefore, without knowing him, he is spreading the virus, so the other person will be get infected. So this is the main reason. The other one is the face mask. So even people wear the face mask, but that is not helping much because we already know that many medical persons like doctor, nurses, even they are infecting. So why it is? So when you're wearing a mask, there may be openings over there, like so inside, in the bottom there may be opening, at the nose there may be opening. So therefore air can pass directly there wherever the openings. That is the one reason. Second one, when you're using the cloth mask, so if the virus sits somewhere here, because virus is too small, and when you are inhaling or exhaling, we put a pores over there. Over a time, it may peek in. There is a possibilities. Next, negligence. People not wear the mask properly. They below the nose. They wear the mask below the nose. Or sometimes they have the mask also. They'll not wear properly and they'll pull it down. Probably they want to talk. So they want to show them who they are. So identity. So therefore in all these times they'll pull the mask. So that will increase the chance of infecting. So we are proposing a helmet system. So this helmet system has to solve the problem. So we are already using helmet for many purposes. Like one is a two-wheeler helmet. So in order to ride two-wheeler, we need a two-wheeler helmet. So this is an industrial helmet for industry purpose. This is a sports helmet people wear when they're playing cricket or any other games. So another two-wheeler helmet. This one for welders. So people who do welding, they need this helmet. So this is another purpose helmet. So here what you want to propose is the helmet should cover the complete head and it should have a transparent front cover. So therefore no air can get inside to the helmet. So you want to design a new helmet so where air should not get into the helmet straight away. Instead of that, we can filter the air and we can send the air to the system. So here's another model. So it covers the complete head, even the front body. So any virus falls here, it should be stay here only. Any virus comes here, it will stay here only. But what you do is we can filter the air and by a pipe you can send the air to the system. Therefore you can inhale the filtered air. You're not going to inhale the outside air. So therefore the chances of infecting will be reduced. So here is another helmet astronaut is wearing. So this is a complicated one. But what you want is we want to make a simple one where you can see that front transparent. And then it should cover up to the neck and we cover the rest of the part with a single mold piece. We want to make a simple one, so therefore it should cover the complete head and no air should enter into the system, and we can filter the air and we can pass the air to the helmet. In that case we can completely avoid the virus to get into the helmet. So here is another helmet. You can see the piping system over there, so therefore you can send the air via this pipe. So ultimately we need to design an helmet which will have a transparent cover, transparent mold in the front. Therefore you can identify the person and he can also see completely outside. So there is no problem. And the distance is a little far. Therefore they can breathe comfortably. They'll not touch any face part. So therefore it will be comfortable. And this one is maybe make it very light, so therefore it not heavy, therefore you can wear for longer time. The one is shown in the picture a little bit heavy, but what we want to do is with the one very lightweight, therefore you can easily wear that one and easily walk, easily sit, and we can wear for longer time. Corona helmet. This helmet not only help to fight against corona, it also help to protect against other type of virus. In future, if any other type of virus comes, or it may be dust, or it may be smoke, etc. So the proposed helmet is, it should cover the complete head. So this is a simple one, it's single mold piece. And then we can have a common cloth over there. So therefore there is a 2 layer of cloth here. And that will be protected by some rubber. So therefore it will, along the neck, the rubber hold the cloth. So now we can inhale the air via this cloth. So the air goes through this, and when exhale, air again passes through this. Therefore virus will stop here only, and you can see that in the front virus anyhow cannot enter. So even it is there, it will stay there only. And cleaning this is very easy. So therefore take a sanitizer and then some cloth and wipe it out along the helmet, so everything will go off. And then this is reusable, so you don't need to throw it. Again, regularly you can use it. And once the usage is over, we can put this in a soap water or in a sanitizer, and we can allow this cloth to be get dried, and the next day we can use it. Therefore the cost will come down, we can use comfortably, and the shape is shown, we can do it in a different ways and different sizes, so not a problem. And here is shown like two different shapes. Therefore it's the shape which is comfortable, that way you can mold them. So this is another shape here. So we can extend the additional support here. So we can provide a window structure with the mask over here. So therefore by opening it, we can also breathe via this mask. We can also provide a pipe system. So therefore in case emergency, we need to breathe more. That time via this pipe you can breathe, and there is a filter over here. So this filter, when you take an air inside, will filter all the virus over there. When you exhale also, so this filter will filter the virus, and then it will send only the clean air to the atmosphere. You can also have a different model, as I told already. So this, the front is a transparent mold, and back side we can have a rubber or a cloth or a different plastic material, and we can also provide a zip over there in the back side. And this is the neck pad, so it sits on the neck pad, and here is the mask and the cloth. Okay, at the outside is a cloth, and we can have center one mask also, and then the cloth mask. So therefore people can inhale via this cloth. Next is a collection model. Sometimes you want to spit, so something in the mouth and you want to throw it. We can't take out the helmet again and again. So therefore a collection model is provided over here. So this is a sponge or collecting material, so which will observe the whatever you spit over there. Assume that if the person is already infected and you have a cough and all, they can use this helmet. Therefore when they cough, if they want to throw something, they can throw over here. So it will absorb the material, and then it will have a disinfectant. So therefore it will kill all the virus. So inhale can be done via this material, so this cloth. Pure air pumping model. So this is what very important. So after, once you have the helmet ready, we can supply the air via filtering system. So this is a filter system. So it will have a backup device, and then there is a motor, and there is a pump. The pump will send the air to the filter, first level filter and then second level filter. After filter, this will go to this pipe, and it will enter the system where you can inhale the air. When you exhale also, this air will be sucked by this pipe and via another motor, or the same motor with the different modifications, and then that again will be filtered and then will send to the atmosphere. So therefore when you have a air inside, so we send a pure air. When you exhale also, that air will be filtered and sent to the atmosphere. So therefore any virus present over there will be killed. So this you can achieve using the aquarium pumps. So there are small aquarium pumps are available that we have to modify for our purpose. So they are very small devices and they'll not cost you much. Therefore you can utilize these pumps, and by modifying them, adapting the filter, we can use them. Also car tire compressor already available in the market. They'll comes along with the battery backup. We can use these devices also, and we can, by modifying them, we can use for our purpose. So ultimately we want to design an helmet which serve the purpose, and it should not send any virus to the inside to the helmet. Therefore we can clean the air and then send into the helmet, therefore we can inhale the pure air. By wearing such kind of helmet, we can always go outside and always engage in a work. If we don't have this kind of system, then it's very difficult to go out and stay work for a long time and meeting different people. It may be difficult. But if you wear an helmet and go out, so then you are comfortable and you are sure that you are not spreading virus and you are also inhaling virus, therefore you are not going to infect. There are already many types of helmets are available. By modifying little bit to these helmets, we can utilize in our purpose. So this is openable, but we don't want that. So we want to fixed one. So once it's fixed, and here you can see that there is a air cooler is already fixed over there. Along with the air cooler, we can put a filter and then we can send the air to the system. Therefore, you can inhale the pure air. And here is extra model. So this we can have additional pumping system. Via this, we can pump the air to this and we can inhale the pure air. We breathe 12 times a minute and we require 6 liters of air per minute, totally 360 liters of air per hour. Therefore, a small pump can do this job. So it's a 4 watt to 8 watt pump can supply this much of air to the system. So therefore, it requires very less energy. So therefore, by battery backup will do the job and we can work till 8 hours or 10 hours using this. So ultimately, this is a corona protecting helmet. So it covers the complete head and it will supply the air via this machine. Already in the market, the coolers are available to supply the cool air. So this is a device which will supply the cool air to the system. By modifying it, we can use in our system. Not only that, we can have a different designs. So you can see this only covers the front face, and here head and the front face, and here it only covers the mouth and nose until we can supply the air over there. So this way we can stop people to inhale the virus and stop spreading it. These are new different types of helmets which are there in the market, but you can see that very clean and neat. So therefore all the surface is neat. By improving it, so therefore the completely one piece, therefore no air can get into that. In that case, we can utilize in our helmet system. So is another helmet system that little bit modifications required for these helmets. By modifying them, we can use to protect against the coronavirus. Presently they are little heavy, but we want to make a very lightweight. So lightweight helmet we can wear for longer time. Helmet system will help us to solve the problem of coronavirus. This helmet also helps to kill or destroy every virus emerges. If you have any suggestion or questions, please send us a mail or you can reach via WhatsApp. For business opportunities, please contact us. Thank you.